Hey everyone, this is Brett with Web Devils, and today we're talking about basic on-page search engine optimization. I'm going to show you a few simple things that you can do to increase the likelihood of ranking high in the search engines. As you can see, I have a link here to an article that I've posted in the past. If you want to get a little more detailed into it, check that out. Okay, getting right into it, and we're going to move along pretty quickly here. The first thing you need for your page is a title. As you can see here, I used my keyword phrase as my title, and it's bolded because it's sitting inside of an H1 HTML tag, which is a header 1, and this is pretty much saying, hey search engines, hey viewers, this article is relevant to this topic. So we're already increasing our relevancy, first thing. Once you have your title up, once you have your keyword phrase, you need to go ahead and knock out some content. Good rule of thumb is to use 500 words as a minimum, as a baseline. More content is always better. Content is king as far as the search engines are concerned, but you want to kind of keep it short so that people don't get bored of reading, and then there's a better chance that they're going to link back to you if you have a short compelling article. My keyword density in this particular article is about 5%, and anywhere from 3 to 5% is pretty good. I wouldn't go too much over that because it becomes a little bit spammy and it kind of gets uncomfortable to read, but if you want to try it, you're welcome to. At the beginning and end of your article, you need to mention your keyword. I know you're going to be dropping it throughout the whole thing, but you need to take steps to make sure that within your first sentence or your first paragraph and your last sentence and paragraph that you have your keywords in there. And I say this because there's this next tip. Just to increase our relevancy a little bit more, we're going to bold, underline, or italicize the first and last keyword in our article. So here you can see I've done bold at the beginning. This is the beginning of my article. Then if you come all the way down here to the bottom, we have an underlined version here. And that's pretty much it. If you follow all those things, that's going to be a pretty good article, and it's going to be relevant. Now, here's a little trick I want to show you. Once you are ranking, you can check out how the search engine is actually seeing your page. So this is my article right here in Google, and notice right here is a cached link. If you click that, it will bring you to a page that looks like this, and this is essentially how Google sees my particular page. So it's noting excellent example SEO basics. These other two words are not so important to Google. And then you can also see throughout my article where I've dropped it and how it's grabbing it. Note here, SEO is standing alone, but it's still counting as a little vote for my page. And that's just a quick way. Once you're ranking, if you want to see how it's seeing you and think about ways to continue developing that page to rank higher in the search engines. If you have any more questions about SEO or anything related, please get in touch with us and we will talk it out. Thanks again for hanging out. I hope you learned something, and we will see you next time.